Repeat these words and sentences.
Hello. Hello, Jessica. Hello, Miss Green. Hello, Miss Powell. Hello, Mr. Gray. Good morning. Good morning, Jessica. Good morning, Miss Green. Good morning, Miss Powell. Good morning, Mr. Gray. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Jessica. Good afternoon, Miss Green. Good afternoon, Miss Powell. Good afternoon, Mr. Gray. Good evening. Good evening, Jessica. Good evening, Miss Green. Good evening, Miss Powell. Good evening, Mr. Gray. Goodbye. Goodbye, Miss Green. Goodbye, Jessica. Goodbye, Miss Powell. Goodbye, Mr. Gray. Bye-bye. Bye.
Hi, Jessica. I'd like you to meet Miss Green and Miss Powell.
How do you do? How do you do, Jessica? How do you do, Miss Green? How do you do, Miss Powell? How do you do, Mr. Gray?
Well, thank you for coming by,
Oh,
Jessica.
thank you. I've really got to be going.
So soon?
Yeah,
Please
I'm
stay.
sorry.
It's nice to meet you.
It's nice to meet you, Jessica. It's nice to meet you, Miss Green. It's nice to meet you, Miss Powell. It's nice to meet you, Mr. Gray.
It's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure, Jessica. It's my pleasure, Miss Green. It's my pleasure, Miss Powell. It's my pleasure, Mr. Gray. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye,
Goodbye,
Jessica.
Jessica.
It's nice to meet you.